Hey there! With iOS 18, now you can personalize your lock screen by changing app icons beyond just the camera or flashlight. Let's get started! First things first, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later. Wake up your iPhone. Then go to your lock screen. Next, long press on the lock screen to enter edit mode. Swipe to the wallpaper you want to customize. Tap on Customize. Then select the screen mode. Now, tap the minus icon next to the button you wish to remove. Next, hit the plus icon. Choose which controls you want to replace the flashlight and/or camera. Finally, tap Done to confirm. Awesome job! You have now personalized your lock screen icons. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone and Apple device tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more!